Siti Sar Natasha binti Ismail.
Hi, my name is Azhari Razik bin Zaman.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Nabi Fikri bin Muhammad.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Rabiatul Atika binti Muhammad Azmir.
For this EPJ, we have decided to create something related to art and safety. As a result, we came up with an idea of creating a self-defense kit which has printed design on it and few other features of technology. DKIT is the brand name we would like people to know. DKIT will be available worldwide and to all age. We wanted to do so because danger doesn't come only on certain part of the world or certain age of people. Unwanted things can happen anywhere, everywhere, and anytime. If you ever think why people would buy our product, it is because they wanted to protect themselves. Plus, they wanted to be different because others might only own the normal self-defense kits bought at the market.
As for the market, our target market and opportunity, it is available for everyone. When it comes to product and service, the customers would always want a reasonable price product and really good quality. And that is what our defense kit is all about. Pricing decision is very important before we introduce the product to the market. It is a basic nature that if the price is not reasonable, customers will not buy them, and it is difficult to compete with our competitors. The price of our defense kit is set as around RM2 which is a very reasonable and affordable for the quality and design of our product. This is an online business, so therefore there is no specific place we had sale on. In our online business, we will do great deals and promotions. For example, we will be giving discount on some special dates or to our customers, or we will be doing a giveaway with terms and conditions.
To describe our product details, this defense kit is not like other that you can see at the market. This comes with a nice design on it. It can be a keychain or accessories and can turn into a knife or protection tool. Also, if you are in danger or crisis, you will have to pull the pin in order to activate the loud siren and flashlight. This new technology will also be alerting the nearby police station and connect your location. A self-defense kit like this will be sold with an affordable price because our main goal is to create a better and safer country.
We have estimated our capital to start up this business around 20,000 ringgit Malaysia. This is due to very high quality material that we use and we add on with the technologies. This is a very important and new, which is why the production cost will be a lot pricier than the others. We would like to receive 60,000 ringgit Malaysia revenue every end of the year or increase around 20,000 ringgit per year. This is not for us, this is not all for us, but we would like to give back to the economy at the future with a fewer percentage. To attract our investor, we will be creating a huge sustainability and trust to our product. We hope there will be a few investors that are attracted to our business. This is important as we need a fund from them to sustain our planning and make the world safer again.
That is all from us. Thank you for listening to our business idea. We hope people could create this kind of technology in making our everyday life a lot better and safer.